Hello everyone, welcome to my channel. In this video, I want to explain about some more numerical problems on quadratic equations. Now, in this, find the roots of the QE quadratic equations by using quadratic equations formula. So, finding the roots of the quadratic equations I explained by using factorization method and perfect square method. In this video, now I am explaining how to solve roots of a quadratic equation by using direct formula. Okay. Now, formula, roots of the QE formula what? See, roots of the QE formula x is equal to minus b plus or minus b square minus 4ac under root whole by 2a. This is the formula. Okay. In this ABC, first you write coefficient of x square is, suppose if equation in the form ax square plus bx plus c is equal to 0. Now, in this form is there, this is the roots of the equation. Now, equation, first one, equation is what? 2x square minus 2 root x plus 1 is equal to 0. So, comparing this equation, coefficient of x square is a. Here, coefficient of x square is what? A, 2. Next, b is equal to coefficient of x. X coefficient is minus 2 root 2. See, coefficient before x what is multiplying? That all coefficient of x. X square what is multiplying? Anything. No numeric values or any variables also that belongs to a only here, x square coefficient. Now, remaining is c, constant. So, c is equal to 1. Now, substitute these values in the equation. Therefore, x is equal to direct formula, this is minus b plus or minus b square minus 4ac under root whole by 2a. This by belongs to b also. Okay. Now, substitute the values. Minus b, see, minus of b is minus 2 root 2 plus or minus b square minus 2 root 2, this is whole square, minus 4 into a is 2 into c is 1, this all under root whole by 2 into a is 2. Like that you substitute. Now, minus into minus plus, so 2 root 2 only, plus 2 root 2, plus or minus. This square means 2 2s are 4, root 2 into root 2 is 2, 2 4s are 8, minus square means plus only, so this becomes plus 8, minus 4 2s are 8 under root by 2 2s are 4. Now, what it becomes? 2 root 2 plus or minus 8 minus 8 is 0 by 4, this is no value, so 2 root 2 by 4 direct, that is 2 times, so 2 root 2 by 2, that is 1 by root 2. Root 2 in 2 root 2 times it will divisible, so that's why 2 root 2. Therefore, x is equal to 2 root 2 comma 2 you want means 2 root 2, both are 2 root 2 only, right. These are the roots of this quadratic equation. Second one, see, x plus 1 by x is equal to 3, x not equal to 0, because if x is equal to 0 means here indeterminate we cannot find, so that's why condition is give, that means x value not equal to 0 only. Now, other than 0, that means greater than 0. Now, see here, directly it is in the standard form of quadratic equation, then only a, b, c we can write like this. Suppose if we give not in the standard form, first we should convert the equation, given equation into standard form, then only a, b, c will get, then directly we can substitute. This is not in the standard form of quadratic equation, you should convert. How to convert means by LCM. See here, one LCM take x, 1 in this x times, x into x, x square, x in this 1 time, 1 into 1, 1 only, 3. By cross multiplication, here 1 means only x square plus 1 is there, 3 into x is equal to 3x. So x square, this come to this side, 3x, this is this side only, is equal to 0. Now it is in the standard form of quadratic equation. So a is equal to x square coefficient 1, b is equal to x coefficient minus 3, c is equal to constant 1. Now x is equal to minus b plus or minus b square minus 4ac root whole by 2a. Now you substitute the values. Minus of b is minus 3 plus or minus b square, b is minus 3 whole square minus 4 into a into c root of by 2 into a1. So minus into minus, so this is 3 plus minus into minus plus, so 3 plus or minus 3 square is 9, minus square is plus, so 4 ones are 4 minus by 2, that is 3 plus or minus 9 minus 4 is 5 root 5 by 2, that means what, 3 plus root 5 by 2, or one time plus you take 3 minus root 5 by 2, therefore QE, roots of QE, roots of the QE, 3 plus or minus root 5 by 2. Both you write like this, that is in single way I wrote. Okay, these two are the roots. Now, next one, see, third one, 1 by x minus 1 by x minus 2 is equal to 3. X now, see, x 0 also undetermined, 2 also, x2 means 2 minus 2 is 0, 1 by 0 undetermined. So that's why x should not be 0 or 2 other than these values. Now this is also not in the standard form. So first we convert this equation into standard form. Now LCM is here x minus 2. See x, so no, now x into x minus 2 LCM. X into x minus 2 LCM. X cancel means x minus 2 into 1. So 1 into x minus 2 only minus x minus 2 cancel 1 into x, so x only. This is 3 by 1 you take. Now 1, if you multiply 1 also no change, this like this. This x into x square minus 2 into x 2x is equal to 3 by 1. Now this one plus x minus x cancel, minus 2 by x square minus 2x is equal to 3 by 1. By cross multiplication 3 into x square minus 2x is equal to minus 2 into 1 minus 2 only. So this is 3x square minus 3 2s are 6x is equal to minus 2. So 3x square minus 6x is come to this side plus 2 is equal to 0. We should solve not by factorization method, in formula. That's why now it is in standard form. That's why a is equal to 3, b is equal to minus 6, c is equal to 2. By using these values, substitute in the formula x is equal to minus b plus or minus b square minus 4ac root of by 2a. In this you substitute minus b minus of minus 6 plus or minus b square means minus 6 whole square only minus 4 into a into c. This is all under root by 2 into a is 3. Now minus into minus plus, this is plus or minus. 6 square is 36, minus square plus, that's why minus 4 3s are 12, 12 2s are 24, minus 24 root whole by 6. Should not cut 6 6 because here plus is there, so don't cut. Now this is 6 plus or minus 36 minus 24 is this is 6 6 12, so 12, this is 12 root by 6. Now this we can write 6 plus or minus 4 into 3 we can write by 6. If you write like this, for 4 root is 2 root 3 by 6. Now, so the values are 6 plus 2 root 3 by 6 or 1 time plus 1 time minus. So now here we common 2 into 3 plus root 3, 2 left means root 3 by 6 or 2 into 3 minus root 3 by 6. Now you can cut because this is into, so this cut in this 3 times. So 3 plus root 3 by 3 or here also cut 3 minus root 3 by 3. Again you can common root 3 common. Root 3 common means here root 3 plus 1 by 3 or here also root 3 into root 3 minus 1 by 3. Root 3 in this root 3 times. Root 3 in this root 3 times. Simplification, that's it. That means root 3 plus 1 by root 3 or root 3 minus 1 by root 3. These are the roots of this quadratic equation. So this is direct formulas only. If you know the formula, once you convert the given equation into standard form, then you will write A, B, C. What is A? Coefficient of x square. What is B? Coefficient of x. The remaining is constant. Okay. I hope everyone understood this video. If you like this video, please subscribe my channel. Thank you.